Next point about the moon. So during the 1950s, the USA considered detonating a nuclear bomb on the moon. Actually, it's a very secret project which was conducted by the USA in 1950. Let's see what is the secret project. The secret project was during the height Cold War, was known as a study of lunar research flights, okay, or Project A1119. It means as a show of strength at a time they were lagging behind in the space race, okay. So this is what they are telling, every people, not like our individual human also, we will keep on a race towards the other people. We always keep on watch the other's life instead of keep on watching our life, what's going on our life. We will always used to keep on watching the other's life, isn't it? That is the usual to every human. So like that, the country people also always used to watch what happening in the other country, or they always keep on racing about the other country. Oh, you did this, so next I'm going to do that. They will keep on having some races, okay. So in the USA at the time, in the 1950s, they were keep lag on the space research. So they considered some secret project. Why should we want to do some nuclear research? So they were have some secret project in the year 1950. This is due to their lagging in the research about the moons. I think that the time every people were watching towards what happening in the moon. Maybe more country involves in 1950s towards the moon, what actually is going on. So that leads to why they may feel we are very lagging. So this is the reason they kept the secret project, a study of lunar research flights, or Project A11. Okay. So the next point is I'm just mentioning the moon names. What are the moon which having the which is in the a planet. So for example, the Earth having the moon. Jupiter, this is a not 10, this is a yellow. Okay. Love, Europa, Ganymede, Callisto. These are the 4 moons in the Jupiter, and also we have come across a point, the moon in the Earth is, when comparing the moon in the Jupiter, its size is smaller. Okay, the moon in the Jupiter is having the largest size moon. Next, the Uranus moon, Miranda and Titania, and Pluto's Charon. Mars, Phobos and Deimos. Saturn, Enceladus, Rhea, Titan and Iapetus. I think this is the second largest moon in the solar system. And the next one, Neptune moons have the Triton. Okay, so these are the planet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 planet. Only the 7 planet have the moon in their planet. I'm just telling one more time, the Earth having the moon. Only one moon. Jupiter having the 4 moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto. And Uranus having the 2 moon, Miranda and Titania. Pluto having the moon, Charon. Mars, Phobos and Deimos. Saturn, Enceladus, Rhea, Titan and Iapetus. And the Neptune have the Triton moons. Okay, so just you just remember about this, only not the Earth having the moon. There are a lot of planets which are having nearly 2 to 4 moons having, and also the Jupiter is a moon. Jupiter moon is the largest moon when comparing to the other moon in the other planets, and the second largest moon in the is that Saturn moon. So Saturn moon is the second largest moon in the solar system. Okay. So we have come across with a lot of points towards the moon. We have seen a very lot of points, and each and every point is a very important point, and each and every point is very interesting too. Okay, so now I'm just revise about the overview of the moon. Now I am going to tell about some important and interesting point of the moon. Okay, if you are not yet watched my past 2 classes about the moon, I have teaching past 2 classes. So if you are not watched the past 2 classes, So for those, I'm just recalling the points, very important point. I'm just recalling. Please listen careful. So this will be surely useful for those who are preparing for the competitive exam. It's gonna be a very useful. So please listen it carefully. I'm just make it as a point, and this is very interesting and important point. First point. So moon is a natural satellite. And second point, the age of the moon is nearly 4.6 billion years. And third point, the same side is always facing the earth. Okay, so because I have come across with the detailed information about this point. Okay, so always we are watching the moon on the only one side through our naked eyes. We all know from the earth we can watch the moon through our naked eyes without support of any scientific system. Without any scientific system or any technology, we can face the moon, or we can see the moon through our earth. But till now we are watching the one side of the moon. I've told you the reason also. The earth and the moon will keep on rotating on same time. This is the reason we always keep on watching the one side of the moon. Okay, so the next point is the 1959. So we all know that Armstrong is the very first person who stepped into the moon. But before that, in 1959, the Soviet the Soviet Union is the very first USSR used to launch their spacecraft in the moon, but there is no other human step into that moon on that time in 1959. Okay, later 1969, the Apollo 11 mission was introduced. In that, Neil Armstrong, along with the Neil Armstrong, there were 2 to 3 people involved in that. So the Neil Armstrong is the very first person who stepped into the moon. And also in that point, I want to remember about the one thing also, like for the first person, we want to know about the last person. So Gene Cernan is the last person in the year 1979 who walked in the moon. Okay, nearly 12 people, only 12 people walked in the moon still date. Okay, and the 12 people also, everyone is an American people. And the next point is the rise and fall of the tide is because of the moon rotating the ocean. At the time of the moon rotating the axis to the motion, so this is a reason why the global has the rise and fall on the tide. And the next point is the person may the person will be weight lesser than on the earth. So okay, so each person will have their own body weight. So the body weight is much lesser than the in the moon when comparing the weight on the earth. So this is because of the weaker in the gravitational force. Okay, and the next point is only being walked on by 12 people. I have come across with that point, and I have told about very clearly. And the next point is the moon has no atmosphere. So because of the no atmosphere, there will be the moon will get easily affected by some solar winds or some forces. The moon will get easily affected by the atmosphere, and there is no gravitational force, isn't it? There is no gravitational force. So till date, there is none. For the human life, the moon is unfit. And the next point is the moon has a quark. We already know the earth has a quark, isn't it? You know what is meant by the quark. So like a earth having a quark, the moon also having the quark. The reason why the moon have the quark means because of the earth have some gravitational pull towards the moon. This is the reason why the earth have the this is the reason why the moon have the quarks. And also I have told you, when comparing to the moon in the Jupiter and the Saturn, the moon in the earth is smaller in size. Okay, but the age of the earth and the moon is same, but the size may be different. The 80 times lesser than the size of the earth. And next and last point is 1950s, the USA has a secret project. Okay, so they felt they may be a very lag in the research towards the moon, because in 1959 itself the Soviets come across with some spacecraft in the moon. So they felt they were very lag towards the research towards the moon. So this is the reason why can't we do some nuclear research towards the moon. So in 1950s, the USA have some secret project on the moon. Okay, so these are the very important points. So please just remember about the important points about the moon. Okay, so far we have seen about the universe and we have come across with more points about each and every planet in the solar system, and we have finished that too, and we have finished the moon, and also we finished about the moon. Next class is going to be a very interesting interesting thing I will tell you in the next classes.